What's up? There's no better way to start a video than opening new samples. That's definitely my favorite thing to do. Yeah, I got a box, I got a tracksuit yesterday, and I'm gonna be showing them here right now. And basically this video is just like preparing for next week drop, which is probably the biggest drop. This month, November, we got 2 drops coming. First time in the year that we're doing 2 drops in a month. And this week is gonna be a bit hectic. We're gonna be here, there. So yeah, hope you enjoy, because you're coming with me. Here I got the first box of samples. Trico. I got a tape. But not just any tape, it's a Trico tape. And this is basically for the orders when we ship boxes or like big orders. We need tape and we use just random tape. That's a mistake because there's nothing we do that is random. Everything gonna be special.
Every day hustle like William, I'm charging the chicken just for the...
I see blue. I don't know if I should bring the camera there or bring the box here. I'll bring the box here. I'm telling you from now, okay? We're coming strong, very strong with the core tracksuits this winter. Can you see that color? Is this one navy blue? Yeah, it looks like navy blue. I know there's 2 kind of blues in that box. So this is the first one, okay? I'll open everything later. I'm just gonna bring them like that one by one. Yo, don't chat to me, bro. What kind of brown is this, bro? Right, a clothing brand is not all just traveling and having fun. Bad thing is, this is dropping next week. We already got the stock here, but the stock from the last drop, it's not here yet. I mean, I would love to have all the orders from last drop shipped before making a new drop. But we're just fucked. And it's shit that happens, and it's problems, stress. That's the real life of a brand owner. You know, this one is dropping next as well. Next week it's out. I'm telling you, core tracksuits. Dark, well, I think this is the navy blue, right? And this is the cobalt blue. There's a big difference actually, but they're both blue. Which one would you go for? Let me know in the comments. Damn, bro, I still gotta open all of them and try them on and shit. So until this time, it's been all like tracksuits, super cool. But right now, we're taking a step further. Can you see that, right? Again, I'm gonna show everything after I empty the box. I'm gonna try everything on. I've been waiting for this for a long time, and I just wanna try it on the first one. But I don't know, I think I gotta leave it for the last, maybe. And if you thought there was only one camo set, well, you're wrong, bro. Check that. Check that. It's time to try everything on. Okay? Let's go.
I know you like the way I pop out. Let's go hit Lennox. Another week, another knockout. A different city. My partner whip a 7-4 now. You think you win me, but I'ma ride this Chevy Mally until
let's try it on.
It's empty and past the...
Damn, bro, I'm risking my life with these YouTube videos, man. I'm on top of the warehouse right now. So now the step is just try the samples on, see what we gotta change, approve, decline, and you're gonna do it with me. Alright, so fuck it, I'm gonna start with the camo set. So, ripstop cotton, okay, camo print, vintage texture, 3D embroidery logo, Trico in Arabic in the back. Then we got this leather tag down here. In the front side, it's basic, no logos, just 2 big pockets down here. And then we got the cargo pants. Well, I'm just gonna try it on and show you. Ha! Yo! Check the fit. And you know why I'm wearing my fits, right? Right. Actually, I got two options. I'm gonna show you. There's the Noctas, right? And then, bro, camo, Timberland. Can't miss. Better put them both and you choose. Let me take you to the mirror. Nah, the fit, man. The fit is crazy. Which one? Timberlands or the Noctis. And then there's these details. Stars, 5 stars GTA, man. So what are you saying, valid or not? I need you to comment from 1 to 10, please. I need you to rate these samples. Keep in mind this is first sample, so there's changes, obviously. These are the pockets. But honestly, to be the first sample, this is crazy. To have a first sample like that, it's just crazy. For the pants, there's not many changes, to be honest. The fit is crazy. And the jacket, I think it's just a bit too cropped, but I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna be wearing this because every time I be wearing the samples for weeks until they come out. So I'm just gonna test it.
Hey, look at me dead.
Next one. So it's the same one but different camo print, just different color, but same fit, same everything. We're gonna try anyway.
Yeah. Nigga that got spoiled up.
As smooth as it can get, man. So what we saying, man? So yeah, just let me know in the comments. Rate. This is, I don't know how. This is camo 2 and the other one is camo 1. So we move now, other pieces.
Niggas ain't about to outwork me. Go to sleep late, I'm still waking up early. Look at my belly.
Bro. Yo, Pierre, come out here, man. Check this brown set, bro. 2 months ago, we dropped the black core tracksuit. The black and the gray, they went like that. Sold out. But this brown, bro, is it just me? I mean, I don't know if you can see the whole fit from that distance, because I'm blind as fuck. And when I go there, I just can't see this little screen. So yeah, let's go to the mirror. Let's go to the mirror. Let's check. Let's go to the mirror. Unmatched fit. Yo, like the fit can't get any better. Baggy enough. The hoodie is crazy from the side. As you can see, it sits perfectly on the sneakers. This fabric, it's a new fabric we've used. It's just crazy feeling. Like you gotta put it on to feel what I'm feeling right now. And for those new here, just know if you don't join the waitlist, you won't be able to access the drops. So make sure the link is in the description. You click, enter your email, and you make sure you get the password to enter our site. It's just once a month, but this month is the first time we're doing 2 drops in 1 month, and next one is next week. I think it's November 14th, and this one is coming out November 14th actually. So this is your lucky day. If you just found this video and you're watching this, then congratulations. Join the waitlist. And as you know, right there's some cobalt blue core tracksuit, navy blue. There's a fleece, but I'm not gonna try that. I've already gave you enough leaks. Just make sure to rate the ones I showed here in the comments, and because they don't have a drop date. All that stuff that I tried, it doesn't have a drop date. It's just this one that I'm wearing right now, which is dropping next week. And yeah, if you want me to show the rest of samples, because I got a bunch of samples, I don't know when they're dropping, but they're here and I can show you. So yeah, probably I will be vlogging this week. Definitely you will have a drop week vlog, which I know you like. My last vlog of the drop week went crazy. And yeah, I will be filming all the stress, all the problems. It's next week, literally. So make sure you subscribe so you can see it next week. Cheers.